Very far from the monster I'm looking for. But at least couple of them. This value was really cool. Shit, maybe you just need to be shot a few pounds. Sounds like it's a story against Perch. It's getting dark. It's again for months not working long. There is a melee on the infield. DJ brings bad news. Oswald isn't working properly. Getting chucked with all reaches. I want to catch a monster not hurt. It looks like I'm going to have to head out alone again. If I can get my truck started. This is not the intention. He's trying to hold him down. Car goes in there. DLP car, yeah, right. Where's the intentional? Don't worry about it, sir. It's all good. It's all repaired. It's all fixed. Brand new.